21 April, Genesis just came through Kumzansi Magic, 7:30 p.m. It replaced drama band in My Brother's Keeper. So I'm just gonna explain what's the storyline about, my characters, Obani, Gwenzagalani, and all of that. Okay, so here it goes. So Genesis obviously we know what Genesis is. It's the first book on the Holy Bible, right? Never mind that. In this story, Genesis is the name of the recording company that is owned by ifamily Yabo Tabet. Now, let's dissect the family of Tabete. Ifamily Yabo Tabete, it has on the top right there, Felicia Tabete, played by Baby Tele. And then also we have her two kids. Tabete, we have Bonko Tabete, and then we have Nobuhle Tabete. Bonko is being played by K Maps, right? And Tabete laba, because obviously Ubaba Tabete pasaka second emhlabeni. However, though uBaby Cele got remarried to umlisa actor egama lakhe Mr. Gigaba. Mr. Gigaba is the father of their youngest son. So kahle kahle uFelicia Tabete has 3 kids, 2 from her former husband ongasekho emhlabeni, and then kube no Gigaba basuke baningane umfana. But ke bayibiza ngani ngoThabethe. Right. And then we get introduced to another side of the family again. We have uNtombazana Ozwana no Mr. K Maps lana Bonko Tabete, artist yabe eculayo ethandwayo edumile. Right. Igama lentombi zakhe, untombazana le Umarona banengane. I don't know ukuthi banengane yini, but unengane usisi, kuvezwe ukuthi unengane engaphilanga kahle. Uma wakhe ilosisi lona ekuthiwa uKB umculo esimaziyo, and then kuvezwe nabanye abantu abasemndenini wakhona. Right, so I think we understand the dynamics of these two families. We have the Tabete family, umndeni waka K Maps, Nobuhle Tabete, baba laphana ongabazali kodwa ubaba ekhaya uMr. Gigaba and umawabo uBaby Felicia. And then we have the Sedibeng family la ehlala khona umndeni wabani balose sobaculelayo as an artist uMaron. Bonko Tabete, which is played by K Maps, is very in love with this girl and ufuna ukuproposa kuyona as in yesterday. And ubaba wakhe or ongamzali, but ubaba wakhe phela ngokomndeni is like, mfana kusafuna uqala ubhekisise kahle ngoba she might not be the ideal person to make a wife. Udinga umuntu strong, who's gonna be imbokodo, like how I got your mom. Umfana ayithathe yonke lento leyo, but angayithakasile. Meanwhile, on the other side of town, usisi ugulelwa ingane. You understand? Ukhulelwa ingane, and bami uma wakhe yamtshela ukuthi there needs to be things afanele zenziwe kule ngane le, no otherwise uzoba nenkinga. Yabo. Alright, fine. Ngala kaThabethe ubaba avela thola indaba zokuthi ke or umndeni rather bathola indaba ukuthi ubaba wekhaya ongasekho emhlabeni esigothi uthole i-nomination ozothola i-lifetime achievement award kwenye i-prestigious award ceremony. Ngempela babethi ukufika lapha kule ceremony leyo kugcwele kupacked kuthe everyone you can think of who's big in the gospel industry is there. Kumnandi kuhle abantu bahle kanje. So here the story goes ke lapho ke bacule noMaron abandla efake lento la amaphiko engelosi. She's looking all white and deba and nice. The Tabete family is also there. Yabo yonke into bemnandi umlisa as a propose at that time lapho ukuthi hayi uyapropose. Meanwhile proposer untombazana lo oma wengane lo. Ingane yakhe ngale hayi ngibula kuyembeswa. In fact igcina sedlulile emhlabeni. Ithi phela ishow iphela nje hawu ingane siyashona emhlabeni. Again akukakaveza ukuthi kahle ingane eyabo bobabili yini, or there is some scandalous things going on ngandaba lengane le. Yabo asasancathi now I don't want to speculate because it's still the first episode and the story is still gonna unfold as time progresses. So guys, that's the storyline of show Genesis that started off today, the 21st of April, Easter Monday 2025. I think it's gonna be playing every week. Now I think every day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, or past 7. And then we'll see. I think this is the first time it's gonna into a gospel. Maybe there's gonna be a dark side. I was introduced again as yeah, but so far the first episode left us in a big hook. So we are willing to one and access what izoqhubeka lento ize ihambe ize ifike guys. Right, thank you so much for coming through. As I did mention bafethu, do not forget to subscribe and press that like button and that bell button. Also notifications whenever I drop these videos. Peace. Thank you.